are safe and sound. In today's video, let us learn some more functions in Python. So let us share our screen. Yeah, so this is our test project. And our first one is if. What is if? If is that. Now in our last video, we learned about input. So now let us create a quiz after today's video. So for that, we need to learn some important functions for answering it. And the first one is if. So there's the term if. So if you keep if, then you can ask. Now let us give a one variable. Suppose a is equal to, let's give a value 5. Okay, and now let's enter and then if a, now not 1 equal to, it is 2 equal to. If a is equal to, because a as in Python 1 equal to means a variable, then we cannot, it will think that still a is a variable. So if a is equal to 2 times is equal to 5, okay, and then hey, something is missing. Now when we click enter, there are 2 reds coming. What is that? Yes, there is one. We have to keep a colon, and then we could enter colon and then print. So in Python, there is no such word or any term such as then. So if you tell in English, we could say it like, we could say it like, so I'm going to type here. So I'm commenting this out. Yeah, so if we write this sentence in English, then let's see. If a is equal to, if a is equal to 5, then print whatever. Then how to represent this then? Yes, a colon. A colon represents this one, this then. So we could see. So if a is equal to 5, then print lucky number. Lucky. So lucky. So let us answer it. Yeah, lucky, as a is equal to 5, and if a is equal to 5, then print lucky. Now if we change the value to 7, let's change the value to 7, and then nothing. But I want an other answer, that I also want another answer saying that you are not lucky, like that we could keep. So this is our second one, which is else. Else or else. We say or else. So in Python, the term for or else is else. So keep an enter, delete, else. You could see here, else, colon. You have to keep a colon, not like if. It is, we have to keep colon after the else itself. And then enter, print O. Okay, so let us keep this O. Now O as the value here is 7. Now let us keep a little tricky one to it. Now let us keep some multiplying numbers. So if A is equal to 63, okay, then print lucky, else oh. So now how to represent 63 now? 7. What is the symbol for multiplication, addition and all in Python? Think. Friends, if you are using a Windows, then you could see the numlock keypad. You don't see an into like this or a divide option like this. But what do you see? A star. So you use a star and then you multiply with 9. Now let us ask it. Lucky, as 7 9s are 63. Okay, now let us change it like 36. Yeah, so print O. And now O, as here A is equal to 63 here. It is equal to 63, isn't it? Now let us see another one, which is true or false. Yeah, so this is else. Now I want to keep different ones. Like I want if the answer is not just if it's 36, then I want A to be 63 as well. Then what to do? And also I want the else function as well as if, and I want to add another one. What do we need? Yes, elif. Now enter. So we could enter elif. You could see here it came here. Elif, and here we have to continue it normally. Elif A is equal to 63. Then print good. Something like this. Print good. So now what's our value now? It is 63. So let us do this. Good. Okay. So now let us make a teensy-weensy bit of a quiz now. So let us remove all this. And now let us keep our heading quiz. Okay. Now first let us start with input. Okay. Input. Let us ask his name first. Hello user. What is your name? Colon. Now let us put this into a variable named n. N is equal to input this one. So now let us keep our second input as Q1. Question 1. Question 1 is equal to input. Now let us keep this into F strings. So let us keep these curly brackets and then n came, and now so n your first question is okay. Yeah, what gets wet while it dries? and a colon space. And now let us keep enter, and then let us keep our conditions. If Q1 if Q1 is equal to towel colon, then print so print correct. Yeah. And now let us keep our second sentence else. As we don't have any other answer, let's keep else, and then print oh, the answer is towel. Oh. Answer is towel. Okay. Yeah, so run it. What is your name? My name is Naman. So Naman, what gets? Now let us keep towel. Oh, the answer is towel. What is this? Strange, isn't it? Huh. I have given the correct answer, but it's not taking it correctly. So this is our second one, which is lower and lower. Okay, so now this will bring everything to lower. Now here Q1, we can put a point lower. You could see this. Lower brackets or parenthesis. So now if we give like this, then it will take our answer everything into lowercase. So now if we type fully like this, some towel. Okay, so now let us give our answer as towel. Okay, correct, as it changed everything into a lowercase. But are you having a question that what if we type everything lower? Will it change it to even more lower? Is there anything? No. Now we could check here. So my name is Naman, and the first one is towel. Okay, correct. Lower, if it's already lower, it'll just take it as lower. So this is how we put. Okay friends, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.
Friends, I hope you're learning from my videos. If you like them, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe. And click the bell button for getting more notifications. And please share my videos to your family and friends. Thank you.